Hi everybody. So I'm playing around, fooling around. Always wanted to do this bite. It's with kandaifi and goat cheese. I really don't know how it's going to taste, but it's going to have, when it's done and it's cooked, it's going to have a nice syrup. And this syrup is going to be absorbed by the kandaifi. And I think it's going to be delicious. But because I love goat cheese, I think it's going to be delicious. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. But I'm going to let you know anyways. I'm going to let you know and give you the exact procedure. So this is kandaifi with goat cheese bites, little muffins, little fooling around bites that are delicious. And they keep you out of trouble when you have nothing else to do during the COVID time. This is Litsa. Bye.